This person is continuing their one-sided beef and drama with you. You know, this person, I feel like they were supposed to walk away from this actual situation with you when Saturn was in Pisces. Saturn came out of Pisces in January, I believe. But for some reason, this person's still clinging on. You know, it's given past life enemy, and it's given not admitting defeat. You know, they tried to destroy you, they tried to come up against you, they tried to put blockages in your way, they tried to cast illusions around you, and they can't bear the fact that you are free. You know, their happiness relied on you being destroyed, and they're seeing that you are unaffected by their betrayal, by their sabotage, whatever the case is, because the cycle's been closed. And this person is refusing to let the situation go. They've lost, basically. They lost in a one-sided beef that, for some of you, you had no idea about. For others of you, you knew exactly what was going on. And you outsmarted them. You chose peace over drama. And you're moving towards a new direction. And this individual, they're very angry. They're focused on how to get you back. For some of you, literally how to actually get you back. This could be a past friend. This could be an ex-partner. You know, this could be a hidden enemy. They're going to try and target your friendship group. They're going to try and target your group, club, organization, some type of network that you belong to. They're going to try and dismantle it. They're going to try and separate you from it. They want to put endings in your life because they are very afraid of your success. You feel like you're moving towards success. Some of you are experiencing success. They may have seen it on social media. They may have heard about some type of success through people that you know of, or they may have actually seen and witnessed your success. And it's because you have stepped into a new timeline. I feel like everything that they threw at you was accumulating karma for them and blessings for you. Maybe at the time when they were doing what they were doing, it looked like they were winning, but they were actually helping you. And the abundance that you're going to receive is the abundance that was blocked and stagnated from you due to this individual, because this person doesn't realize that they were actually helping you. The more they came for you, the more they tried to spiritually attack you. They were actually filling up your tank of good karma. And they want to try and cause more tower moments and shocks and betrayals in your life. But you are expanding. You are expanding in your career. You are expanding in your education. You are expanding in your love life. Some of you are expanding and traveling abroad. You are expanding away from this person. And they are beside themselves. They feel, unstable about the fact that you have outgrown this cycle. You have maneuvered your way around their attacks, and they are strategically planning on ways that they can get you, maybe humble you, humiliate you, destroy you, outcast you, get you back into a friendship, get you back into a relationship. This person is refusing to heal. They're refusing to grow. They're refusing to let go as well, because this person's stubborn. This person has this entitled energy. They cannot admit that they have lost power, because they may have hid behind a title, some type of role that they were in, feeling entitled to your energy, feeling entitled to your downfall, being the cause of some type of downfall that they want to cause in your life. But what they're actually doing is they're trying to rival spirit, God, or whoever you believe in. And they may say they believe in God, but nah, they don't. And they're trying to understand what powerful force have you got working alongside with you that has helped you to outsmart and avoid their betrayals? Because they want to cause you the Ten of Swords. They want to cause you unhappiness. They don't want you to shine. And it's destroying them inside that you are shining. You are glowing. You're sparkly. This was not part of the plan. The plan was for you to be outcasted, to be disrespected, for you to be forgotten about. So they're going to stoop to trying to maybe, there's something about showing off about what they've got. So they may try and minimize your essence, your energy, and gear the public, friends, people that you know of, to look to them to make themselves look better. So they may do something around showing off about their job or what they have, you know, things of the 3D, how they're living, how much money they got, because they are jealous of your magnetism. They are jealous of your brilliance, your uniqueness. You know, you sparkle. They want to have that same appeal. Or for some of you, if they have romantic feelings for you, if it's an ex-partner, if it's someone that has romantic feelings, right? They are jealous of you, but at the same time, they want to be with you. And by you not being with them, hanging around with them, they feel like they've lost a certain appeal. They feel like they lack that star quality. When they were around you, they benefited off your star quality. And they may try and lure you back with money, with favors, with gifts. They want to be around you. And for some of you, they want to be around you to learn you, to destroy you. But Spirit is blocking them out because they are working alongside the dark forces, is what I'm hearing, to try and block your destiny, to try and block what is destined for you, you know, which is legacy. For some of you, they want to be part of this legacy. You know, for others of you, this could be a family member who's jealous of you because they see you in a very victorious position and they feel, no, if they get into that position, then they're going to make money, then they're going to live a comfortable life. Some people feel like that, even if they are your family. And they may feel like it's going to highlight their lack, you know, their slow movements. So they will try and sabotage you by trying to rival you to make sure you don't get it. And whatever this thing is, popularity, maybe love from a father, a grandfather, you know, they want to ice you out. They don't want you to benefit in any way, shape or form. They want you to not have any support. So they are having a secret competition with you. And it's like Spirit is taking you out of their sight. You know, because they have been sending spell work your way. You know, manipulation, or they've been sending thoughts, which is still spell work, to, I'm hearing, mash up your foundations, your family life. Like I said, there's something around them wanting you to not have support, not wanting you to have close relationships with family members. You know, they've been hoping for that. For some of you, if it's a family member, they want you to be hidden, forgotten about. They want to be the main character. For some of you, this person's trying to rival you because they don't want you to have any love. This could be a family member too. It could be someone that feels like you get a lot of love, you get a lot of attention, you are more attractive than they are. And they're right, because your energy is more attractive. What they don't understand is that when they're in this energy of trying to destroy you and compete with you, they are exposing their true nature, which is very unattractive. They want to humble you, you know, so they may resort in gossiping about you. If they know that people find you appealing in regards to your personality, they may try and whisper in people's ears to try and deter people's thoughts about you, to try and make people move away from you. And Spirit is saying to continue to heal and move away from this person, because you are destined for success and victory, and this is what this person's scared of. They want to stop and block it. For some of you, they may have spiritual gifts and they're using it for the bad. And they may sense You may have had a dream or something like this, that you are going to gain some type of love from someone, and they don't want you to see it. So they feel like if they can alter your path, your destiny, then you won't get what they foresee for you. So they have been investing in your demise. You know, they think that they're moving in the shadows, but they're still basically on this timeline of trying to manipulate and control and destroy. They could be trying to get you back, or trying to get into a relationship with you so that you don't go into a relationship with someone else and get the 10 of Pentacles. You know, their fears are being exposed, and their hidden feelings about being obsessed with you is being exposed. And the more they continue to be in this energy, everything that they wanted for you will be their reality. The love that they didn't want you to gain, it will be on their plate. You know, the popularity that they wanted, the social isolation that they wanted for you will be on their plate. The trying to rival you for your essence will be rejected, because for some of you, they're trying to copy your mannerisms so that they can get the same attention and blessings as you. You've got a very strong spirit guide that is working behind the scenes and sees everything, and is making sure that you don't lose nothing. You don't lose your sanity. You don't lose your faith. You don't lose yourself in trying to, you know, compete with this person that is not even on your level. And the thing is, they know that you're not on their level, and they know they're not on your level, but they want to drag you down to the pits of despair where they reside, so that they can, you know, climb out of the swamp. Because if I turn this card around, this woman's literally in a swamp, right? They're trying to hide the fact that they swim around in the swamp energetically, right? So they're trying to drag you down to their level so that you get into it with them energetically, so that they climb out of the swamp and you're in the swamp, and people see you as a dark force, as an entity that is negative. So they want to swap energies with you. So your mission is to not get involved with this person on any way, shape or form. I don't care if they're family. They need to be removed from your life, or create a distance, because they are competing with you. They are jealous of you. They are planning to sabotage you, and they are relentless in their pursuit of doing so. Because to them, to drag you down, to snatch your blessings, to block your blessings is their ultimate victory, because they can see that you are a powerhouse. They can see that you are destined for greatness in all areas of your life. They just need access, and not just access in close proximity, access in regards to allowing them energetically into your field to compete with them. That's what they want. The more you ignore them, pretend that they don't exist, the more you keep a distance, the more you stay focused on what is important, that's how you will continue winning. I wish you the best. I know you got this. You or the person or the people of the signs in this energy towards you could be in Aquarius. They could be in Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio, Aries. I was about to say Gemini. We have got Gemini, Sagittarius, Virgo, Scorpio, Cancer, Aries, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius again, Capricorn, Leo, Scorpio, Pisces, Leo again, Pisces, Sagittarius, Pisces and Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node or Lilith. Keep focused on what is important and leave behind what is not.